channel. Today we are going to be learning how to make this paper bag for your small business. By the time we are done with this video, this is how the paper bag that we are going to be making is going to look. Pretty, right? You can opt for this option if this one is too paparazzi for you. If you're a small business owner or a creative, I know that one of the major challenge for you is how to save money. Every single penny you earn is going into different things, from branding to marketing to advertising, and most of the times you are left with nothing. Branding is one important part of starting a business that you cannot compromise on, but you should not overspend as well. I'm going to be teaching you how to make your paper bags yourself. That is one area you want to cut costs if you're just starting out. One of the things you must constantly put in check is if you can afford a particular something. Of course, we are not going to compromise on branding and packaging. That is not what I'm saying. But I am saying that there is a way your branding and packaging can be excellently done with little amount. You don't have to outsource all of your nylon production. If you need 200 nylons, you can do 100 for yourself and you can outsource 100. Here are the things that you need when you want to make your own paper bag. I went the extra mile. As you can see, I got 4 different kinds of papers that you can use, and I will show you the difference. Let's start from this beautiful one. Oh my goodness, can you see this? Whoosh! This is so fine. So this is sugar paper. I got this for 400 naira, but you know, because I bought from a store and it's a very big store, so of course they put the money for AC. But please go under the sun. Go and look for where they sell sugar paper and get it. This is another type of paper. This one is very strong. If you are selling armor, this one will carry it. This is embossed paper. Let me bring it closer so you can see the texture. This one has texture. I don't know if you can see it. This one has texture. So this embossed paper, you can also use this. I got this one for 300. This is the one that we'll be working with today. Our classic cardboard. If you did fine art in school, then you are very familiar with cardboard. I got this one for 17 naira. This is brown paper. Can you see? This one has already been made. This is a paper bag that has already been made. This is white paper, but this one is very soft. If you're selling things like jewelry, accessories, you can use this paper. If you're selling heavy items, I would advise don't use this, go for cardboard. 500 naira. So it's the same thing as this, but the white version. Then you need glue, bonding glue. I put up this wallpaper myself. I think I'm even going to show you a video on how I did it. I put up the wallpaper, no, not by myself, with a friend, Isaac. You need ribbon, you need your scissors, blade or a perforator, blade and pencil to cut out the circle. If you're making so many, just get a perforator. This one, you don't even need to perforate. Can you see how the hand was put? This is how I want to make my own, so I didn't really see the need of the perforator. Getting one. The perforator is 3,000 naira. I priced it. It's cheaper if you go and buy it under the sun. I got this mounting tape. Can you see it? Mounting tape. I have this very nice raffia placemat that I've been wanting to use in decorating this setup. A quick DIY tip. If you want to set something like this up on your wall without, and there's nowhere to put a nail or anything, just get this. It's very quick. You just need small. Put it at the back of the raffia. Just place it where I want. I don't want to put too much because I might want to move it around. waterproof ribbon instead of the cloth ribbon. But if you're doing your own, if you like the outcome of the waterproof ribbon, then you can use the waterproof ribbon. This is another way that your paper bag can be finished with this hand. I think I already showed you earlier. Let me come close so that you can see. I already showed you earlier. You're basically just cutting the cardboard, rolling. See, this is paper bag too. Sorry, this is paper as well. You just twist it, place it to this paper, and then take a hard cardboard, gum it with it, and that's another type of finishing. So you can do this paper like any size. You can do any size for this 2 paper bags, small, bigger, but this is the cardboard size. We use a full cardboard in making this paper bag. This paper bag, it was printed on with screen printing. So if you followed me on every step of this tutorial and you also want to do the screen printing on this paper bag of yours, please stick around for subsequent videos. I am going to be teaching you on how to use screen printing on your paper bag. It is one video that you do not want to miss. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Mochizo, see you in the next video.